Lily, happy Easter.
Happy Easter.
Who came last night? Who brought you the basket?
The Easter Bunny.
Oh, so fun. What'd you get?
A candy.
Ooh, a ring pop.
Oh. A cookie.
Oh, what a yummy cookie.
What is it?
Do you know what that is?
A cupcake.
But it's a necklace on a cupcake.
Yeah, it is.
I'll help you put it on in a little bit.
It's a ballad.
Yeah. Do you want to let Ben hold that?
No, that's not Ben.
Can you pick something out for him to hold? He might destroy that. Why don't you give him the flower? He can't hurt the flower.
That one.
Okay.
Is that mine?
Mm-hmm.
That's mine. And that's mine.
Is there something inside that egg?
You want to see? You want to see, Mommy?
Okay.